It's pushed me to the doing from scratch or like 2D to the 3D, from like step by step, more like clear, because before I like kind of know, but I watching tutorials the part, so I was not clear how to like step by step. Now I'm not so afraid to make from scratch. My name is Momoko Okabe. I'm from Japan, and I moved to 5 years ago to the Vancouver in Canada to study visual effect. I went to the school called Banat, the 1-year visual effect school. And after I graduated, I worked as the mainly compositing and also little CG artist at a small company. Then I found out my passion is more like a 3D side. There's lots I learned. I didn't know well about starting point, how to start it and then shape. And so like should be like a basic shape and then make a base shape. And also I was always struggling the Vitoporo because it's important to be making hairs or animation, to thinking about to very light, also like looks nice and a shape. Also, I learned marmoset first time. That was like good to show some of my work to the other people. It's very fast, like rendering. I added to my portfolio as well. It's like a site that I can make shading and I can make little modeling. I can show those stuff. So I'm happy about that. Tutor give me very good the advice. I like the GIF showing like a shape, like how the shape should be. Also the video is always like it's not too long, so I can see part time and when I have time. It's explained from for beginner